What's up guys? For today's video, I was just actually working on some headlight stuff, but I wanted to go over these for you guys. Some people were asking me about putting LEDs in the factory headlights, the projectors, but putting them in the high beams because it's a reflector housing. So they said, why not put LEDs there? So I ordered this one kit and I just wanted to go over it with you guys. Basically, it's this kit, OEDRO, however you pronounce it. But it's a 9005 kit, which is the same size for, at least on mine, the 2014, the high beam. So I wanted to see if this would work. It's a plug and play kit. It's also a fanless kit, so it's supposed to be quieter, but disperse the heat. And it has one of these adapters on it, so could potentially work with CAN bus. But I just sat there and tried it, guys, but the base on this is much too large. So trying to put this in here, basically it's a no-go. It's not going to work. So I don't really have anything else 9005 on my truck, but for fun, let's plug it into another socket and see just how bright it is anyways. So just for fun, I'm going to see if I can manipulate it into the socket of the 9006 fog lights, because the plug is fortunately the same. And it will clip in just the actual base. If you guys don't know, you can kind of manipulate 9006, 9012, and 9005. They're all just different size pegs, and basically you can kind of tuck one tab in and get the other one to fit. So, but I do want to at least test these to see how bright they are. Right now we would be comparing them to the $25 LEDs that everyone's been running lately that we tried. So let's pop this in, see at least if we can get it in here and illuminate it and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so like I said, I got it in there with not too much effort, surprisingly, and it fit in snug. Seemed like a really good fit actually. So, and we got the bulb situated correctly. It's pointed up and down. So let's go ahead, fire these up and see what it looks like compared to the $25 ones. And just for reference, these are the $25 ones that we've been running lately. So with the fan in the back. So let's see what it looks like. There it is, guys. Very true white. This one does have a slightly bluer tinge to it. Definitely a more white light. Let's see what they look like at nighttime compared to each other. Okay, here's a comparison on the $25 LEDs versus these other ones that we put in. So you can see the driver's side is that one, and $25 LED is on the passenger side. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below as far as illumination, what seems brighter. They both seem pretty good. I will say the driver one seems a little bit brighter, but as always, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So standing a little bit further away, it does appear that the driver's side is brighter. You can see it's a lot brighter on the ground further away. And also the color, big color difference. So you can see the passenger side is a lot more blue, driver's side being a lot more usable, whiter light. But again, you can kind of see the whiter light there, whereas the blue kind of trails off around here. So I think it's definitely safe to say that those ones are brighter. And but always, guys, let me know anything in comments. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the link in the description below. I'll link to these bulbs if you want to check them out. And also, they have all sorts of different bulb types. So I know that unfortunately the 9005 didn't fit in the high beams, but they happen to fit in the 9006 with a little bit of MacGyvering. But they do sell other bulb types with the same power. So you could get a set of 9006s for these fogs that would power the same as what we're seeing here. So as always, give me some comments below on what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, and be sure to check out the other videos on the channel because we've covered a lot of ground so far. So a lot of stuff happening on the channel, supercharging the truck, always doing lighting mods, always doing maintenance mods, basically everything. So see you on the next video, guys. Take care.